Not really stupid sounding or that interesting, but my little sister came home once when she was like 6 and told us that dolphins were whales, and we just laughed at her so much she cried. Turns out she was right. She's usually pretty wrong about things, so we just thought it was some made up crap, but whenever she says something stupid and gets mad because we don't believe her, she always says remember the dolphins, which makes us sober up real fast, and we all remember the dolphins. 14. In a room full of 23 people, there is a 50% chance that 2 people share a birthday. 15. We're closer to the T-Rex than the Stegosaurus was. 16. The word data is actually plural, so you would have to say, the data are. The singular form of data is actually data. And even though I know this, I still can't bring myself to say it correctly.